Alrighty, we gotta hold up. Oh, that's it, baby. Do, 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 do. Boom. Wow, 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 wow. 100 off that side, like 200. The song getting sad, man.
Why are you crying?
This music.
What is the song?
Minecraft music.
Oh, no, no, no. Whoa, 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 whoa. La, 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 la. Alrighty. Where are we going? Let's make sure that it is displaying. It looks like it's working. Yo, this goes insane. This goes absolutely psychotic. The ultimate game. Oh! This is flames. This is Chun-Li look good, man. I'm vibing out to Tatsunoko versus Capcom at 2:40 in the morning. Luigi? It's Transformer! It's Hot Lady and Tiny Boy and Cameraman. Show me the true menu. Man, we going the hardest. We going in the deep end. Who am I playing? That's the main question. I mean, I gotta play as Chun-Li, right? Chun-Li. Oh, I can't select Big Boy because I think Big Boy have to go with Little Boy. Right? I did not mean to... Oi, oi, indeed. Alrighty. Oh my god. What is going on here? I fixed it. Ooh, okay. I'm dying. There we go. I'm no longer dying. How do you? Chun-Li. Okay, how do you switch? The tempo of the fight was so tedious. So I'm gonna play Big Boy. I'm gonna play Big Transformer. He's so big. Danger indeed. Okay, how do I use some pooper moves? Is it like quarter moves? There we go. Oh, dude, he's too short. Hit him again. Yes, please, I would like to have more of that. I'll play as Mega Man. and I'll play as a random character. Ryu, Mega Man and Ryu. Mega Man, why you walking like that, dude? Hold up. Wait a minute. Hold on.
Something ain't right.
Give me some randoms, man. There we go. Kaijin no Soki. Man, I'm dead.
Dead as hell.
Apparently I'm gonna play as Beautiful Joe. And I'm gonna play as Luigi. Little man with a gun. Oh. I cannot tell what is going on, dude. I don't know. Swapping. How did we win? How did we win that? This is a Darkstalker stage, am I wrong? Beautiful vanished for a sec. Now there's a combo. Oh, almost. I can't even explain what just happened there. So medium difficulty is definitely much easier. I mean, wow, dude. Complete 8-star difficulty is like so easy, dude. Like, easy, bro. Hit her with it. He's still going. That's how it's done. Luigi? Just blow up. Batsu, stop! Watch me do this. Watch me miss. Alright, that's it. I'm just gonna kill her. Batsu, get out of here! I was killing her, dude. That was awesome. I have to fight this dude. Switch. Joe.
Yo, mama.
Yo, shout the season, man.
You're dead, frankly. I can feel my heart beating out of my chest. It's probably all that cocaine. I knew you were coming, dude. And that's exactly why I set up for this. Yes! Mega Man ball nut, Mega Man ball nuts, Mega Man ball nuts, Mega Man, Mega Man, Mega Man, Mega Man, Mega Man. Megham, please. Clean with it? Not so clean with it. Clean with it. Okay, hit another one, hit another one. You got this, hit him with it. Yo, what? Doctor Strange. Ooh, that's less than good. There we go. That was too easy. There's definitely something inside. Just get him. I don't want more. Why is there more? Oh my god. Okay, is there like a last stage? I feel like there's gotta be, because that was a little... Luigi? How quaint. Ikuyo?
Game over.
0 wins. Welp. I guess that was all for nothing then.
Oh my god, what are you?
Golden Freak.
Luigi?